Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel HV Studies. I hope you are fit and fine in this corona time period. And now, today in this video, I am going to show you my first app, that is Pronounccy. So what is the use of this app? It's not just more useful, it does a simple work. And more of apps also, that is calculator and this G1, that is gaming app. I have made these apps by the Python language. So what is in this Pronounccy? Suppose whenever I type anything in this Pronounccy, suppose I type hello, suppose I type hello and then press OK, so it will pronounce this word.
Hello.
So you can see now it has pronounced the word. And similarly I can also pronounce other words. Suppose I pronounce happy birthday. Okay, happy birth happy birthday and then press OK.
Happy birthday.
So you're gonna see that it has pronounced the word, and it can also pronounce a large number of it. Suppose I will use this mm, just a minute friends. I'm using this Python modules, okay, and I will pronounce it. So I will go to the Python tutorial and I will select this. I will select it till this, and let me see that is it pronouncing this carefully. Okay, so let me press OK.
Python is an easy-to-learn, powerful programming language. It has efficient high-level data structures and a simple but effective approach to object-oriented programming.
Okay friends, so it has pronounced, but there is just one mistake, that its speed is a little bit fast. So similarly I have also made it in this calculator. I have made it this calculator. You can see you can do press any operation. You suppose you want to add, then press 1, then first number, second number, and then you will get. But there is one problem in this app, that this app get shut off automatically when you press enter. Okay, so therefore I made it another smart calculator in which I can also find LCM and HCF. I can find mode, I can find percentage, and I can also find in that add, subtraction, division and multiplication. This is Haskell Calc. This is a game which developed by me. You can see it's a snake game, but by mistake I have renamed this with wrong name. So to function this game we had to press WSAD. So you're gonna see I have created this app by Python programming on Microsoft Visual Editor. So you know that in the upcoming month we are going to show you a Python programming week, in which I will tell you the Python programming coding and what is Python programming and many things related to Python programming. I will tell you that how should you set up and start your journey. Okay, so you can see you can also score high score, and in this game sometimes you also get lost. You can see it's working totally. You can see, and some if we crash to the wall or we crash to our body, suppose like I am showing you, you can see how we are crashed. The high score is 230. So this is my game app which I have developed by Python, and in the upcoming Python programming week I will also tell you that how can you create apps similar like this. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Bye.